We got guys pushing up left side unless they're already dead.
What is going on, guys? It is Spenno from the Valor Airsoft channel bringing you a quick midweek episode. Today I'm just going to be showing you guys some of Diver's footage that was taken quite some time ago, and I lost the original video that came from, but he got a pretty nice kill streak in the middle of it, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. If you guys do enjoy this video, please make sure to comment and tell me what you liked about the video and how maybe we can improve next time. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.
We got right here. Huh? Oh my god.
Hey, try to use this some cover instead of running out in the open.
Left side's clear, left side's clear. Left side!
Whoa.
Got him.
Man, get the guy's van.
Yeah, I got him. Alright, I don't know. Is there a guy at the van? Okay, there's a bush in my way.
I'm out of ammo, so.
I got you. Where are you at? Huh.
Doesn't shoot. I'll just clean down.
Out, hit. Good shot.
Good job, Chief. There's two of them now. 3 of them.
Moving.
Go.
Let's go, we gotta move. Where's Spencer? Oh, he's over there. Hey, you come with me. Here we go, cover me. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, walking. Thanks, man.
I could have tell if you were friendly or not. I was like, fuck, I'm gonna get hit. Let's see it.
Thanks, man.